It's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Covered shut. I do, so you can't see. Anyways, it's the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something really interesting. This is Indian, Nepal. However, this is made in Serbia. Okay? Not only is it made in Serbia, it's chicken pizza flavored. Yes. So, alright, let's make it so. We got our water. And we're gonna add our noodle block. Little bits and pieces. And we're gonna put it on the heat for 2 minutes. And I'm hoping I'll be able to get everything done. I got three to do. It's 12:11. I'm gonna try to get them all done by 1 p.m. for me before my daughter has her class. Then do the editing. I have 3 down. I want to do that every day this week, if possible. That would be freaking-sational. So, what's going on with me? Oh, you know, walking, grooving, doing it, you know. And, not yesterday, but the day before, I went and I did like 10 miles in the morning. And then me and my wife and our kids got everybody all together, ready to go, all bundled up. And we went on a walk, the town that was over one, which was neat too because we got lights on the kid transport devices. And just like moths were coming out all over the place because you got to walk through the forest. So it was really cool. So yeah, I did that, went into a little lookout, went over to the hardware store to get my 4 bolts, which I paid $1.59 for, and then realized after the fact those aren't going to work because the stems that you have to stabilize the thing and blah blah blah. Anyways, I wasted some money this weekend, like $6.50. Anyways, Momofuku Ando, the guy who invented instant noodles. We got 18 seconds until the timer goes off. Number 89. A small enterprise has to use ingenuity to succeed. Because it does not have extra funds, it has the soundness of making steady and sure strides to reach its goals. My ideal is to take our company into a big, small enterprise. Okay. Okay, Momofuku. I wish I could interview him on the show, but that's just kind of not in the cards. He died quite a while back. That's a fella I would have absolutely loved to have met. Seems like he was kind of a nice fella. Had a lot of neat ideas. Okay, there's that. And then we got oil. Put the oil in. So yeah, this company Wai Wai is part of the Chowdhury group. Not like clam chowder, but this fellow named Chowdhury who is very, very, very big business. Very important guy, rich guy. Make all sorts of stuff. I believe they do halderums, namkeens, tasty, savory snacks, you know. If you've never been to like an Indian grocery, I highly recommend going to one and looking around at the noodles that they have there. Some excellent stuff. Alright, really nothing to see yet. I mean, you got noodles and you have like the tiniest amount of broth going on. So this is the way you do it when you quote-unquote lunch it. You can steep it, which is, I can't remember what the deal was with that, or you can like add it, put it all together and crunch it up and eat it straight. So let's give it a try this way though. Okay. Chicken pizza. I can buy that. It's kind of got like a basil and other stuff flavor going on. I think that's what they're going for. Maybe like a tomato sauce kind of hit. So there's our noodles. What the heck are we gonna do? Well, I found this in the mailroom here. This is some chunk chicken. I needed to find something good to use it for. It's not bad. It's not great. There's a chunk of chicken. There's another chunk of chicken. Crumble it up a little bit. There's your chicken. It's not bad. Really salty stuff. But wait, there's more. There certainly is more. If you're gonna have pizza, why not have some basil? This isn't really pizza basil, this is Thai basil. But it's basil, so give me a break, right? Sure. Give me a little break. So, I'll talk about that on the next episode. There's been some seriously crazy business going on involving bad actors. We don't like bad actors. Oh, this is supposed to be used for something else. I don't think I'll get in trouble. I hope I don't. Hadn't even been opened, but it's getting opened. This is Parmesan cheese, ladies and gentlemen. That just seemed like a logical add-on. I don't know. It's pizza. It's supposed to be pizza, but I don't want this stuff to go bad. Hold on, buddy. I'll be there in a minute. And I don't know what else oh, I know.
Oh, I have some twisted snacks.
Okay, I'll get you your snack in a second, bud. I'm almost done. There's some crushed red pepper, and I think that is going to be where we end up today. Right about there. Right about there. Rotate, rotato. Alright, 1 down, 2 to go. This is Manon's the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment your noodles each and every day. Hey, don't forget to go over to shop.theramenraider.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You should have already done that. I'm sure you did. So, thanks. Have a good one. Bye.